Hey guys, how's it going? How to check Spotify match percentage. So first of all, use a third-party tool. Visit a third-party website like musictaste.space. Again, a website like, let me type it for you, musictaste.space. Okay, and then log in with your Spotify account and follow the prompts. Share your unique link with friends, or enter theirs to compare music tastes and see your match percentage. Spotify itself doesn't provide a native match percentage feature, so a third-party tool are the way to go. So let's run out the comments of this video. I hope you don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.